Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. This is a natural chicken treat that you have to try. So if you've ever given your chickens something so simple and they absolutely lose their mind over it, today I'm sharing a garden gem my flock cannot get enough of: Silverbeet. Not only is it easy to grow, it's packed with nutrients and my chicken think it's a gourmet meal. Stick around because I'll share with you why I feed them the Silverbeet, as well as a little known secret that you don't want to miss. So make sure you hit the subscribe button if you love natural chicken care and backyard garden tips and tricks. So Silverbeet, also known as Swiss chard, is one of my favorite leafy greens in the garden. It grows like crazy even when other veggies give up. It's rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, K, as well as magnesium and iron, and Silverbeet is safe for chickens and it makes an excellent addition to your flock's natural diet. And I still remember the first time I threw a bunch of Silverbeet into the run and they devoured it in seconds. It's like candy for them, but so much more better, and it helps them with digestion, it supports their egg laying and gives them something fun to peck on. So ever since I started feeding them Silverbeet weekly, I've noticed brighter yolks and happier hens. And if you haven't tried it yet, your girls are missing out. So here I got the kids just to give them a Silverbeet. Also my son came up with an idea to just wrap it in a bit of a rope and then put it on a pole, and they started pecking at it like crazy. So you can see here, this has become a habit. I hang the leaves for them to jump at and peck, and they get so much fun out of it. Other times I chop them up into a mix with garden scraps and leftover rice, and also I scatter them in a feeder and I mix them with a handful of grains. But this is their favorite way to have them. Is my best tip for you is here is if you want darker yolks, always give them greens. Feed them spinach, Silverbeet, whatever greens you have on hand. Mine love lettuce, romaine lettuce, as well as spinach, but Silverbeet is absolutely their favorite. And always introduce new foods slowly and in moderation, because if you're growing Silverbeet yourself too, it's amazing because you know it's organic, and also you always have extra as well. And if you use the fertilizer that I use for Silverbeet, then you will have an abundance of Silverbeet growing in your garden like crazy. We usually use the extras to make Iraqi dolma, and we just wrap them with the meat and rice pomegranate molasses mixture. I can do a video of that if you guys are interested. Just comment in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video. Take care and have a great day.